Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by logging into the Zoho admin console as an admin. This gives you access to billing and subscription controls. Once done, confirm the billing owner and the payment method so charges can process without interruption. You should also verify the subscription end date and how many active seats exist, because renewal cost and proration depend on those figures. Make sure to note any pending invoices or account holds before proceeding to the renewal actions. Next, you select the renewal term and tailor the plan to match current needs. Choose monthly, annual, or multi-year billing because price and commitment differ. Then increase or decrease seat counts and add or remove add-ons so your invoice reflects actual users. Once configured, carefully review proration charges, applied discounts, and taxes. These affect the final amount. If quotas or feature tiers change, make sure to confirm expected dates for upgrades so service continuity remains smooth. To finish, you complete checkout using the verified payment method and confirm the transaction. This triggers renewal immediately or at term end depending on settings. After payment, verify the new renewal date and view the updated invoice under billing transactions to ensure amounts match expectations. If you hit problems, failed payment, incorrect amount, or seat mismatch, check payment logs and retry the card or contact Zoho support. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache and try an incognito window before calling support to rule out UI issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.